Pastor Sandra Jefferson, author, singer, composer, evangelist, was inspired to write a spiritual warfare recipe book and calendar to encourage us through trials, suffering, and injustices. In life, one can become a conqueror by the Word of God to leave a legacy. Victory over life's difficulties and challenges will give you inspiration, direction, hope to change your life to fulfill your spiritual self. Spiritual Warfare Recipe Food for the Soul Calendar is a twofold gift of healing, wisdom, and many recipes for your soul. You'll be wonderfully blessed by her book of 29 recipes and 12 recipe calendar for years to come. For more information, contact Pastor Jefferson at 760-486-0535. That's 760-486-0535.